Hello there, let's take a brief look now at the weather for the week ahead. So it's been very wet of late. In fact, some spots across central England in particular have seen more than 3 times their average September rainfall. A lot of surface water around, flood warnings, flood alerts, the ground already saturated. But better news as we head into the weekend. It's going to turn drier, but also colder with a chilly northerly wind and perhaps a touch of frost too for some. But this was the picture on Thursday. Low pressure pushing eastwards, various weather fronts around, longer spells of rain, some heavy thundery showers, particularly across some of the flood affected areas as well, clearing southwards through the night. And this is how we'll start off Friday. So dry, bright conditions out towards the north and the west. Still a legacy of cloud and rain for East Anglia, South East England. That clears through the afternoon. But there will be a lot of sunshine around, a much drier looking day, but a cold northerly wind blowing. And in that chillier feeling air, then temperatures won't get much past 8 to 14 degrees Celsius as we head through the afternoon. Some of those temperatures will be slipping for some towards the south in particular. And you can see the chilly air on our air mass chart here, just marked in blue, coming down from the north, turning a little milder across the far north and the west as we head into Saturday though. But Friday night is going to be a cold one. Now we will see some clouds, some showers just move into Irish Sea coast perhaps as we head into Saturday morning, but expect to see a frost for some towards the north, a ground frost. Temperatures quite close to freezing too for some spots towards the south as those winds light and high pressure builds in from the southwest. And then on Saturday, again, more cloud, a few showers across the far north and west, but a lot of brightness, some sunshine, and it's dry, particularly across those flood affected areas. Nice respite from the wet weather. Temperatures though chilly, 11 to 15 degrees Celsius, and it's another cold start to Sunday morning too. A little milder out towards parts of Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, but again temperatures very close to freezing elsewhere. Sunday mostly dry during the daylight hours, although this low pressure system starts to roll in from the southwest across South Wales, southwest England, approaching Northern Ireland later on through the day as well, and it will throw quite a lot of cloud ahead of it, but the temperatures will creep up with that developing southwesterly wind. So it is going to be a wet and windy start to the new week, but then it turns drier later. But this is Sunday night, so strong gusty winds. You can see the squeeze on the ice bars as that low just rolls its way northwards and eastwards, and there will be further spells of rain for a time as well. It's clearing out towards the east as we head through Monday. Still some strong winds for some, but drier conditions developing, and in that milder southwesterly wind, then temperatures will reach 12 to 16 degrees Celsius. And as that front clears away into the North Sea on Tuesday, you can see this northerly wind develop. So again, we're getting that chilly feeling air, a cold wind blowing, perhaps a few showers here and there, but generally dry, and there will be some sunshine around as well. So temperatures 9 to 15 degrees, but then it could turn largely dry for much of the rest of the week with high pressure starting to build in and holding on, although some uncertainty as to the timing of these low pressure systems again rolling in from the west. So do keep an eye on the forecast. But of course, if we do keep that high pressure for much of the week, then we are looking at a lot of dry weather at last as we head through much of the week, turning milder and perhaps wetter by the time it gets to Friday though. Bye bye.